Welcome to Zisodel TV. Kindly subscribe, share, and like for latest updates and news.
It has been a very good trip, successful partnership, pushing for Nigeria in progress. And we have governors here. I don't know whether you've introduced yourself before I came in, but honorable ministers, they've given you some insight into what we're trying to do. What is uppermost in my mind is for you to represent Nigeria. Nigeria for development. Nigeria for good citizenship. Here you are one of us, and we have to encourage you to be good ambassadors. All of you. That is very key to me. We celebrate our diversity. We cherish it. But in this diversity, part of one line in the national anthem is our commitment to serve. If it is about service, we should be good citizens. That's as simple as that it is.